Generate Revises is used to update changes marked up on proofs using PageMajik's WYSIWYG interface. When this action is run, the changes will be incorporated in the InDesign application file and a new PDF and XHTML will be created. Action is available for the XHTML file under the Review tab and can be accessed from the tab View, Chapters, and Sequence screen. When the action is selected, a pop-up with the proof round and preset options will be displayed. The round options can be customized for a site. Round information will be added to the slug line by default in all rounds except final. Also, the PDFs will have embedded hyperlinks that will link at a paragraph level to the corresponding XHTML file. Use the final round option if a book has already been finalized. Click on Proceed to continue. When the Generate Revises action is initiated, the system locks the file in your name till completion of the task. The status of the action will be displayed in the notification bar here, like in Progress and Complete. If you have selected this action by mistake, you can cancel the action here. On completion, changes made to the XHTML file will be automatically updated in the InDesign file, and an updated version of PDF and its corresponding XHTML will be generated and placed in the Review tab. If no changes have been made to the PDF, PageMajik will notify that a new version has not been generated as there are no changes. To generate revises from multiple files, you can use the Sequence screen by clicking on the hamburger icon in the Chapters screen and selecting Sequence. Then you can select one or more chapters and click on the yellow arrow to view the option in the drop-down. The pop-up with the round and preset information has an Execute TOC checkbox that can be enabled for an automatic TOC update. By default, the TOC will not be automatically updated. Click on Proceed. A gray lock indicates files selected for batch run. A process icon is seen against the file that is currently being processed. Notification will be received for status of batch run and each individual file. In the front matter, you will find the automatically generated TOC file. You would need to remember to generate the InDesign and proof of this TOC file whenever there is change in pagination.